coordinators of our school, they attended one training program conducted by COE CBSE, that I am very much learning oriented. Every day I feel like to learn some or other new thing. Those who don't update themselves, I already told, they will be outdated by the people. So it's better that we really must keep learning so many things. And I really feel very proud and privileged today that in this kind of workshop, this learning orientation, two of our own teachers, rather the coordinators.
These 4 C's, I'm going to give you a task right now, and it is a 2-minute task. You have to gear up, you have to use your pen, and you have to use your diary or notebook, whatever you have. You have to write your favorite cartoon character, color, car, and cuisine. You have to write 4 things. Okay? Yeah. So your time has already started.
Yes, very good.
Thank you so much.
My cartoon is Ogi and color is black. The car is GLA 300 Mercedes, and the favorite food is about rice and curry.
Is why? Why they are your favorite? Your time starts now.
Basically, the first cartoon, one of my favorite cartoon is Jerry. I don't like Tom because Jerry is the one who just...
You have to speak about only favorites.
Car is Mini Cooper and color is black and cuisine is Rajasthani cuisine.
New generation. Sorry, ma'am. वो तो जानता ही है तैरना. नहीं, वो तो तैरना जानता है, बच ही जाएगा बेटा. No, it's not. Answer is the person who is near at him. जो उसके सबसे नजदीक है उसे बचाएगा. This is the correct answer of this. Okay, dear teachers and respected sir, we are moving forward. Topic NEP 2022, and I along with Sanghmitra Maharana welcome once again. So anything what we start, first of all we must have a vision. So what is the vision behind NEP 2022? It has been in front of you. You can see vision of the policy is to build an education system rooted in Indian ethos that contributes directly to transforming India by providing. When policy makers were making the policy, some lagging behind? Yes? Yes. Very good, Syam Sundar sir.
Think out of the classroom. We have to think out of the classroom. बिना classroom में बैठे आप बच्चे को क्या पढ़ा सकते हो?
That is the important, sir.
That is important. बिना क्लासरूम में बैठे आप बच्चे को क्या पढ़ा सकते हो कि वो सीख भी जाए और मैनर्स भी सीखे, हाइजीन भी सीखे. देखिए इसमें है, वी हैव मेंशन्ड हियर एथिक्स, पर्सनल एंड पब्लिक हाइजीन. Children don't wash their hands. Children don't bring handkerchiefs. Do they bring? No. This is the major point which has been changed in the foundational stage. Now moving forward, the preparatory stage. Now we have discussed till class 2, right? In foundation we have 5 classes. So we are moving forward to the preparatory stage, and it has a duration of 3 years. It includes class 3, 4 and 5, and the age group is 18 to 14 years, right? So now here, what is the major change? पहले हम क्या बोलते थे, 3 साल का हो गया बच्चा, he has to be admitted into the nursery standard, right? उससे पहले प्ले ग्रुप के ऑप्शंस यहाँ पे कम है, रूरल एरिया में है, पर अब हमारे पास ये ऑप्शन है कि वी हैव द एज ग्रुप फ्रॉम 8 to 11 years, right? If a child is 9 years of age and he is studying in class 3, it's okay. It depends on how well the child is able to grasp. It depends on how well the child is able to grasp. हम क्या कर रहे हैं? We are giving punishment to the child. I'll tell you how. Live incidents I will tell you. I checked homework notebook. I checked a homework notebook and not homework notebook, a rough notebook. And the teacher has given from exercise 2.1 to 2.4 you have to do in the rough notebook. The book itself is saying that you have to fill up the blanks, but the teacher has given a punishment to the child that you have to do it into the rough starting from 2.1 to 2.4. Why? We are engaging the child to be into the rote. And after all, he or she will be rotten. Are you getting my point?
Yes, yes, sir.
You are involving the child to be rote and the child will be rotten at the end. What is the future? We are going to discuss more points on this. So the main focus here is we are now taking up the age limits. We have set the limit of the age. बच्चा छोटा है, बच्चा बड़ा है, हमारे बच्चे की एज बहुत ज़्यादा हो गई है और अब इसको 5th क्लास में आ जाना चाहिए मैडम. MNS की तैयारी नहीं हो पाएगी. क्या हमारे MNS के एक्सपर्ट नहीं आए क्या? हमारे बच्चे की MNS की तैयारी नहीं हो पाएगी. सो सरकार ने हमें अब ये मौका दिया है, अपॉर्चुनिटी दी है कि वी हैव दैट एज लिमिट सेट नाउ. सो इफ अ पेरेंट कम्स कि हमारे बच्चे की एज ज़्यादा हो गई है, राइट, सो वी कैन टेल हिम दैट अकॉर्डिंग टू NEP वी हैव द एज लिमिट्स.
Covers the grade 6 to 8. The middle stage covers the grade 6 to 8. And we are going to focus more on the subject learning. See, what we are doing is, right now we are not making the children learn the subject. Okay? हम जैसे मैंने बताया था कि हम सिर्फ रटाफिकेशन करवा रहे हैं या फिर हम सिर्फ एक्सरसाइजेज ही करवा रहे हैं, मैथ्स की हों चाहे वो हिंदी की हों, राइट. तो हमें क्या करना है, व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू इनकलकेट मोर एक्टिविटीज़ इनटू आवर लर्निंग. जो भी हम बच्चों को बताना चाहते हैं उसमें हमें मोर एक्टिविटीज़ इन्वॉल्व करनी है. कल परसों मैं एक टीचर से आई वॉज हैविंग अ कॉन्वर्जेशन एंड द टीचर सेड कि मैं इस चीज़ पे फोकस करता हूँ कि वो जो एक बच्चा मेरी क्लास में नहीं पढ़ रहा है, जो एक बच्चा मेरी क्लास में नहीं सीख पा रहा है, उसको मैं कैसे सिखाऊं. सो आई गो बैक होम एंड आई रिसर्च कि मुझे कैसे उस बच्चे को सिखाना है. तो आई फील रियली नाइस कि आई हैव सच टीम मेंबर्स इन माय टीम कि जो ये सोचते हैं कि जो एक बच्चा रह गया वो उनको सोने नहीं देता. अब हमारे में भी वो एक चेंज आएगा कि हम एक बच्चे को ऐसे देख पाएँ कि वो साइंस के साथ कॉमर्स के सब्जेक्ट या कॉमर्स के साथ आर्ट्स के सब्जेक्ट कैसे पढ़ सकते हैं. और इसमें मैं बताऊं, गवर्नमेंट की तैयारी के लिए बहुत ये इम्पॉर्टेंट है. Academic structure, multidisciplinary study, building on the subject-oriented style, greater critical thinking is very much involved in this. अब हमें लिखने की बजाय सोचने पे ज़्यादा फोकस करना है, because अगर बच्चा सोच लेगा so automatically high school he will be put it into his or her words. Greater attention to the life aspirations, greater flexibility and student choice. This sir has already covered that. The Anganwadi students, sir, please, the wire is under your leg, yeah.
Where sports also.
Now moving ahead, there is no language barrier. See what is happening in India. There are a lot of tribal children who are not getting that opportunity to be educated, right? So out of 100 tribal children in India, only 20 reach to the high school. Only 20 reach to the high school. And what is the reason? Language. ओनली द लैंग्वेज. उनको वो लैंग्वेज ही नहीं आती है. हमारे पास भी पेरेंट्स आते हैं ना, कई बार इसको इंग्लिश टू इंग्लिश समझ में नहीं आता है. मैम को बोलो इंग्लिश को हिंदी में भी पढ़ाएं, राइट. सो दैट लैंग्वेज बैरियर इज देयर. सो इन NEP व्हाट वी आर प्रमोटिंग इज till class 5 children will be given flexibility to study in their regional languages. What